Okay, let's get started with the unboxing of the latest Apple Watch Series 6 Hermès. Okay, so this is the Apple Watch Hermès. Let's look at that. So this is the Apple Watch Hermès 40mm orange single toe. Okay, so I think it just simply slides out. Let's see. There we go. We've got the main watch. We have two boxes here, one for the band and one for the main Apple Watch. So let's get started with the band first. Apple Watch Hermès. It says designed by Apple in California. And it also says designed by Apple in California and Hermès in Paris. Then you got some normal stuff. Alright, so that was the literature. Now let's get to the main thing then. And there is the band. As you can see, it is the orange Hermès band, single toe. These bands are the signature orange color of Hermès. So now, should we move to the next part? Let's try to place our watch here. So this is our main box now. Let's unbox it. Okay, so now let's start to open the main box. Here we go. So what do we have here? We have the watch case. This is Apple Watch Series 6 and we'll open it just in a minute. Then this might be some literature. Let's just check it out. Okay, Apple Watch Hermès, that's good. How do you use the watch faces? That's great. And some literature on how do you integrate it with your iPhone, I guess. Okay, that's good. We have the sports band, the signature sports band of Apple Watch Hermès. It says Hermès, Apple Watch Hermès. Let's check out if we also have something similar on the main band as well. All right, so beyond the color, we also have Hermès mentioned here as well. Okay, so what else do we have in the pack? So firstly, this is the Apple Watch Series 6. So let's open it up. Okay, so it says Apple Watch Series 6 Hermès. We have the standard charger, the 1 meter cable. That's nice. Let's check out if it's, oh yeah, it's the normal USB port. That's nice. And along with the usual charger for Apple Watch. And guess what? We still have the power socket, which has been taken out from all other models, but the Hermès model still comes with the power socket. Okay, let's start to assemble this now. All right, it's asking me to bring the iPhone near, but before we do that, let's get the bands on as well. So this is the same leather band on the stainless steel case. So let's slot this in. So guys, so this might be one of the first very few pieces of Apple Watch Series 6 Hermès in 2020. So there we go, we have assembled our Apple Watch Series 6 Hermès in its signature orange color. We have a few customized Hermès watch faces which only come with this Apple Watch, which is Hermès branded. You can choose various designs. This watch face is very cool. It moves along with the minute hand and it changes, and you have many choice of colors here as well. So that's Apple Watch Series 6 Hermès in its signature orange color. So that was our video on the unboxing and the design of Apple Watch Series 6 Hermès. We have a separate video giving you the details on the features of Apple Watch Series 6 and our review across multiple dimensions. I'll leave the links of those videos in the description box as well as at the end of this video. For more such unbiased reviews and for the latest in tech and travel, subscribe to our channel, Tech and Travel.